channel. Today we are going to be making another sensory bottle, and it's going to be our ABC star sensory bottle. So we have a bottle. It's a water bottle.
ABC space, I wish it was.
ABC space. Well, that works. It is a water bottle. You can use a Voss bottle with the label wiped off. You can use, there's some bottles at Michael's with the lid. As long as you glue the lid shut so they can't open it and dump everything out, then it's great. Plastic is important, and a screw lid is also important. So the first thing we're gonna do is gather our supplies. We got everything here from the dollar store, Dollar Tree. And so we need glitter glue, and we're gonna put a little water in it and a few, and we're gonna make this green.
Can I help, please?
You can help me. Okay.
There.
All right, then the next thing we're gonna do is we're going to take the ABC beads that we got from the Dollar Tree, and we're going to pour them in there. Oh, look at that, that's cool, how they float in there. Okay.
No, I want to. Oh, wait, put my letters in there.
Well, we're putting them all in there, so you can look for your letter names. And then, hopefully this doesn't go too bad because we used some already and it was in a Ziploc bag. Then we have, it's confetti, star confetti, also from the Dollar Tree. Ah.
And then going.
This might be a little dangerous. Hold on a second here.
Dangerous.
Ah! that did not work.
That's funny.
Okay, that wasn't too bad. All right, we're gonna be cleaning up some confetti. Looks like New Year's Eve in here. All right, so we're gonna do that. That is really neat. I'm gonna put a little bit of hair gel in here. The hair gel slows it down a bit. You put a little bit of water in it, just a tad for this because I want it to be moving much more freely than the other ones.
Then put some cardboard.
Actually, you know what? I'm just gonna get a new one. Or just a tad bit in. There, that's enough. Okay. I'm gonna have to get a little bit more water.
And make some cardboard. Like a submarine.
And then we're gonna leave some space so it can move around. There we go. We're gonna seal it with some Gorilla Glue and make sure that it doesn't open. And that is our ABC Outer Space Sensory Bottle. If you found this video helpful, please like our video. We'd love for you to be a part of our family, so subscribe to our channel and hit that bell for notifications of new videos.